Good afternoon, another day, another install for Mirage G4 2014. So, open natin sir. So, ang inabigay ni sir is para sa kanyang headlight. Bali, ang socket type sir is H4. Ang napili nyo pong color temp is 6,000 Kelvin, blazing white. So, quad chip na po siya, sir. Yung heatsink niya, the driver po, is waterproof na po. So, no worries po if mabasa. So, yung lifespan niya naman po, sir, is 50,000 hours, 5 to 6 years. And yung warranty naman po natin is 3 years and 6 months po. Magbo-void lang po yung warranty if mapagalaw natin siya sa unauthorized key and so on. Install na po natin. Thank you for choosing us.